In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build and publish a custom agent in Microsoft Copilot Studio. First, access Copilot Studio and sign in with your organization account. You can usually get there from your Microsoft 365 apps or by navigating directly to Copilot Studio. Once you're in, you'll land on the workspace where all your agents live. To start a new agent, look for the Create button and choose Create an Agent. You'll be prompted to either describe what you want in plain language or skip ahead. If you already have a clear plan, you can type something like an agent to help employees with expense claims, which gives Copilot Studio a head start on setup. If you prefer full control, skip the chat and go straight to configuration. On the Configure tab, begin by giving your agent a clear, memorable name and a distinctive icon so users can recognize it at a glance. Next, craft the agent's instructions. This is where you define tone, behavior, and guardrails. Be explicit, for example. Use a friendly, professional tone. Keep answers concise, cite sources when possible, and avoid areas you don't want covered, such as tax advice or legal interpretation. The clearer the instructions, the more reliable your agent will be. Add knowledge so the agent knows where to find answers. You can connect SharePoint sites, upload files like PDFs and Word documents, or point to specific website URLs. Make sure the content is accurate, up to date, and that your account has permission to access it. It's often best to start with a small, curated set of sources to keep responses focused. If your scenario calls for it, enable capabilities like the code interpreter for data analysis or the image generator for visuals. Only turn on what you truly need to reduce complexity. For more advanced scenarios, you can add tools such as MCP servers to reach specific systems or datasets used in your organization. Configure these thoughtfully and only with resources your admin allows. Now test your agent. Use the chat pane to ask realistic questions your users will ask, plus a few tricky ones. Pay attention to the tone, the accuracy of answers, and whether it uses the sources you provided. If something feels off, return to the Configure tab to refine instructions or adjust knowledge sources. When you're satisfied, finalize your tweaks and publish. Use the Publish option to deploy the agent to channels like Teams or embed it on websites. After publishing, you can always return to refine instructions or add more knowledge and republish as your needs evolve.